Ever wondered why some AI agents feel broken? You give them files, prompts, instructions, and they still forget, misinterpret, or stop making sense. As a result, you waste time, burn money, and end up disappointed in the entire idea of AI. In this short video, we'll break down how AI models actually process information, including tokens, memory limits, and attention, and show how UnitAI gives you real control. Let's jump into the UnitAI UI first. Near the Send button, you'll find a Model Selector drop-down. Here you can choose from Gemini 1.5, 2.0, and 2.5 models, both Pro and Flash. When you change the selection, the max token count updates in real time. Above the input box, you'll notice two important elements, a checkbox to include history, and a drop area for permanent file attachments. But before using it smart, let's explore a bit of theory. Each model has input limits. GPT models like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 typically handle between 4,000 and 32,000 tokens. Claude 3 supports up to 100,000 or even 200,000 tokens. Gemini 1.5 and 2.5 go further, supporting 1 to 2 million tokens in a single window. To stay within model limits, most tools cut corners. They remove older messages, drop your attached files, or silently trim parts of your prompt. Even worse, they fill most of the context with massive system prompts, leaving almost no room for your instructions. And of course, they don't let you use or edit your own system prompt. That's why tools like Cursor or Copilot often forget what you said or ignore your file references. AI models don't communicate like humans. Every time you send a message, the model receives the entire context, including the system prompt, previous messages, and your new input. It then generates a reply based solely on that combined input. There's no real memory, and no persistent understanding. Each part of the context carries attention weights, so if your critical instruction is buried or not weighted properly, it might be ignored. When important context gets pushed out, or has low attention focus, like your file reference or key instruction, the model starts to fail. You'll get irrelevant answers, contradictions, or total confusion. Not because the model is bad, but because it can't see what matters anymore. UnitAI changes the game. You control the system prompt. Your files stay attached. History remains intact. Your instructions stay visible, and the model stays accurate. Let's see a quick example. I attach a file as permanent context, then close the dialog completely. Later, when I reopen the chat, that file is still attached and ready to use for any new question. No need to re-upload. No need to explain things twice. UnitAI gives you total control over what the model sees and remembers. Join the closed beta at unitai.net, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more practical AI